Guys, today I am making my teen acne soap. This has activated charcoal, goat milk, kaolin clay, and tea tree in it. My number 2 bestseller. My number 1 is my Shea Butter shampoo bar and soap bar, and then this is my number 2 bestseller. So I'm making up a big batch today. Already pre-sold all of these bars by the time this video comes out. I've got like 15 left right now, but I just listed like 60 like 3 days ago, so I'll be sold out by the time this video comes out. But I thought you guys might like to see what it is. I have my oils pre-mixed. I have not warmed them up yet, and I'm going to mix in my kaolin clay and my goat milk first. Okay, now I am going to, my oils are at 74 and my lye water is at 187. We're going to give this a try. Apparently this is called the heat transfer method, and such and such says, or everybody said she has done it quite a bit. I've seen her videos, but I've never seen her do that before. So I just came up with this one day and I was thinking, why am I waiting for my oils to heat up and my lye to cool down? That doesn't make sense. But I'm that kind of a person. So, all right, now we got all in here. What are we at now? 77. Well, let's see if this works. Huh. Well, that's not looking too bad, actually. Okay, so now I gotta stay up. Let me grab my activated charcoal. And I use about a tablespoon per, well, about a half a tablespoon per pound is what I usually use. I changed it. I used to use a tablespoon, but not anymore. Then my tea tree. Now, I make it I used to make it without tea tree, but my kids have been using this, and I found that because some people can be sensitive to tea tree. It is an antibacterial, but I noticed with my kids personally, their acne cleared up a lot better once I added the tea tree. I mean, it's like as soon as I added the tea tree, their acne was gone. So I put tea tree in all of it. So just know if you have sensitive skin, this may not be what you want. Not that I'm going to have any in stock anyway, I guess, but anyway, if you're making it for yourself. So just that little bit of information for you. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe it down. And then I'm going to get lower to make sure I got everything in the bottom. Let's just see where my temperature is out of curiosity. 119. That's slightly warm, but not too bad actually. Alright. There we go. Done. Super easy soap to make, but very effective. So I'm making a ton of soaps today and I just don't have room to get all 3 in here, but I'm doing 3 of these molds. So I'll do 2 and then 1. Okay. Okay, I can squeeze 3 in here. I just was not being bold enough. I should have been more bold. Okay. Alright. There we go. Looks pretty good. Alright, we'll be back and cut it, guys. I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours in the mold. Forgot to say that. Let it sit for 24 hours. Then we'll come back and cut it. Oh, and I also forgot to say, I'm going to spray the top with rubbing alcohol. This is supposed to help soda ash not form so badly, but I don't know, it doesn't seem to do anything for me. What I need to do is one time do one with soda ash, or I mean one with alcohol and one with not, and see how bad the soda ash gets. I still seem to get it. I can't remember what causes it. I think it's the temperature of your soap, so I need to look that up again and see. All right, now we'll be back. There you go.
Not that good yet.
Angie wanted to know what was the name of that soap.
That was the rainbow one. And this is my teen facial. It has activated charcoal and tea tree to help with teen facial issues. I can't make any claims, but I will say that it cleared up my children's teen facial issues right away. But let's see, what was I yakking about? I was yakking about something. Oh yeah, the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway.
Sure.
Okay, so we're giving away Big Family Homestead's e-cookbook. I personally think we won the cook-off. I don't know. What do you think?
Well, they
I don't
also
know. Do we find out what people said?
They were harassing me because I didn't measure the vanilla.
Yeah,
Who measures vanilla?
What?
Who measures vanilla?
I think you guys should get extra points for harassment.
We should get
is-
extra points for
Vanilla
harassment.
Yeah,
is
you should.
amazing, although you probably don't want too much of the homemade kind.
What was I gonna say? I will say their carrot cake was divine, so go check out their e-cookbook, guys, at bigfamilyhomestead.com.
Tasted good. It basically evaporated.
You don't need to be present, Laudiana, but you need to have commented.
Yes,
yes.
Linda says, happy anniversary to the both of y'all.
So tomorrow is the anniversary of the day we met. I was working at the fudge shop with his sister in Estes Park, and
A little bit awkward.
he came in to tell his sister goodbye, who was leaving for Texas, and he saw me and was smitten and knew I was it. Saw me with my cute little apron on and just knew that was gonna be it.
Yep.
Like, hey.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
I saw her with her cute little apron on, scooping ice cream in a fudge shop. I was like, oh, how could it get better than this?
Aww.